Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I want to hit upon the question of, am I overpaying for a property? Um, this morning we got a buyer in a contract, so congratulations to them. Inevitably, the first question out of their mouths was, am I overpaying for this condo? Now, this condo in particular ended up selling, pretty much exactly where both myself, both the buyer and the seller and listing agent were expecting it to go. So in my mind, there is absolutely no question that they are not overpaying for it, and probably in this particular marketplace where everything is going crazy over, I think it actually is probably a good value and has a large upside of value in front of it. Now, across the board, there is a lot of overpaying happening in the market. If you've listened to any of my videos over the past couple of weeks, you'll remember that I've talked a lot about low inventory, tons of demand, overbidding occurring, and in some cases, a ridiculous amount of overbidding into the hundreds of thousands of dollars higher than where I expected properties to go or where their comps may suggest that they should sell for. But, it really is going to be dependent on the asset class. A lot of single family homes are trading at record highs. They've been trading at record highs for quite a bit, and they've only been pushed up higher this current month. A lot of condos are only hitting their records of the 2018, 2019 level today, and they still have, in my mind, a large amount of appreciation ahead of them in order to even catch up to what this single family home market has been doing. Now, going forward, I think there are several reasons why I don't expect that this is going to be that people buying now are going to be overpaying. First and foremost, we are in a state of inflation. This has been talked about by a lot of people. We have seen it already hitting different parts of the marketplace, and we've seen it a bit in real estate, and I think we're only going to see it continue happening in real estate over the next several months, year, and longer. Second, it has been a state of low inventory. I don't think the spring market is going to bring enough inventory to even close to satiate any amount of demand that we have out there, which means that is only going to make prices go higher up still. Third, anyone buying in the marketplace in 2 or 3 months is going to be looking at the properties that sell today and next month as their comps. So if you're waiting until the spring market, which happens in March, April, May, and you put an offer on a property, you're looking at what's sold in January and February as your best guess as the value then, and then in order to win, you have to beat it. So if something sells for, if something looks like it should sell for $1.1 million today, and you buy it for $1.2 million, and you close next month, by the time March comes around, people are going to be looking at the 1.2 price, and they're going to be offering 1.225 or 1.25. So that is just natural appreciation occurring. So that's what we're going to be seeing later on in the spring market, and my mind went elsewhere. Those are some of the major reasons why I think that we're in for only a continued appreciation. We're only at the beginning of the spring market. We have many more months of the spring market to go, and this is the time when we see the most appreciation in the marketplace. So if you are buying, right now, I don't think that you're in a state of overpaying for properties. Real estate tends to be a very strong and resilient asset class. It trends upwards. We do have small peaks and valleys in between. So properties may go down for a bit, but they're going to come back up. But as of right now, I think going forward that we're going to be seeing many more months of increasing, appreciating property values. If you have any questions about any of these, if you're a buyer and want to know about the marketplace, feel free to reach out. If you're a seller and want to get in on the current marketplace, I'm also happy to talk. Thanks so much. Bye.